Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset ZTE Wi-Fi 6 extender H3601P in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the ZTE Wi-Fi 6 extender is necessary when it stops working properly, has connection issues, or you forget the login details. It restores the extender to factory settings, so you can set it up fresh and fix most common problems easily. Make sure the extender is plugged into a working power outlet and turned on. The reset will not work if the device has no power. Look for a tiny hole marked reset, usually on the back, side, or bottom of the extender. This button is hidden so you don't press it by mistake. Take a small, pointed object like a paperclip, SIM ejector, or safety pin. This tool is needed because your finger won't fit inside the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button. Insert the pin into the reset hole. Press and hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds continuously. During this time, you may see the extender's LEDs blink or turn off. That's the signal it's resetting. After 10 to 15 seconds, remove the pin and let go of the reset button. The extender will now start the reset process. Wait for reboot. The extender will automatically reboot. This can take about 1 to 2 minutes. Wait until the power/LED lights become stable again. Since the reset erases all settings, you must set it up again. After resetting your ZTE Wi-Fi 6 extender, plug it in and connect your phone or laptop to its default Wi-Fi name shown on the label. Then, set it up again either by pressing the WPS button on both the router and extender, or by using a web browser to follow the setup wizard. Now your ZTE Wi-Fi 6 extender is fully reset and ready for a new setup. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.